Hello. Well, this is not a how-to video. This is just a goofy video I'm going to do for the heck of it. At the Nationals, I always have issues about taking out OPRs. I try to use some of these cordless tools, like the one that's oscillating tools, but I keep on cutting into the tires, so I kind of mess things up. And then PJ Corrales has been telling me that I need to use a mat torch with the scraper, which he can probably do if well, and it'll probably take him 5 minutes to do a tire. But it always takes me about 25 minutes to 30 minutes to do one. So you know, it takes me 2 hours to do 4 tires, which I'm just slow anyway. So one of the things I kept on thinking is there a better way to do that? And then what I realized was, if I get a low power reciprocating tool that's cordless, the movement is slow enough that it's not going to cut into the tire too bad. And if I can combine with a mat torch by hitting the blade up, it should cut the tires pretty easily. So here it is. I'm going to give this a try. So I'm going to heat this up very, very well. And start cutting to these OPRs. As you can see, these are big, thick OPRs on the tire that's and they came off relatively easy. So, of course, with the grid, after you have out, you can heat up this as much as you want. But over time, this gets so hot that this thing really comes out nicely. So, anyway, this is not quite PJ speed, but an old guy like me can probably take this thing off pretty quickly, I think. Especially with the grid and the tire's hot enough. If you kind of be careful with it, it should come out pretty easily. These are 3-inch blades. I think they sell 4-inch blades. Obviously, the bigger blades, the less powerful this becomes. But in a hot condition, I think it's safer on your tires, so it's not going to cut them up. So let me do it one more time. Do some more. Pretty good, huh? So anyway, that's all. Just doing it for fun. Bye.